Okay. We just got another package. Alright. Factory all weather floor mats for a G37. Let's hope everything fits. And it says it's for an automatic. We'll go ahead and test fit it. Let's get rid of this ugly mat. I don't know what this is from. I've been dying to get rid of that. I don't know if this is driver's side. Must be driver's side, yeah. Guess we'll try it. That fits so perfect. It's like it's factory or something, but we're gonna leave the other factory mat with the logo right there on. Just let's get rid of this ugly thing. So this one's missing the clip. We went with the black, the factory gray one. They're all out of stock, but this matches the stone interior pretty well. And since the dash is black anyways. Last one. Okay, so the black mats are in. They look good, not too bad. I'm glad we got OEM.